Well, everyone, thanks for joining me. I hope you're having a great day. This is a look at a 2023 Subaru WRX that I just got, and this has got 18,000 miles on it. It's for sale. It's not been detailed yet. It's got an aftermarket exhaust. It's not obnoxious. Doesn't have a super weird drone or anything to it like that. Sounds good. This is a really ugly sports car, but what it doesn't have in looks, it certainly makes up for in performance. I love the clutch feel, the slick gearbox. It's got a mechanical feel but also a smooth feel to it, so it handles really well, and its turn in and exit feel really good. So I'm liking what I feel. Your 0 to 60 time is 5.5 seconds as posted on other publications. So let's take it for a drive and see what you think. So you can see we got a little bit of a flat bottom steering wheel. I'll start it up for you. Nice big touchscreen there. Heated seats, dual zone climate control. And then black headliner. Blind spot monitoring, of course. Here's how we got it with the stick shift. Nice carbon fiber. This is very clean. It's only got 18,000 miles on it, so it's still under factory warranty. Let me show you the outside. And then you're quickly reminded why you don't drive stick every day. Very easy to heel and toe drive on this. I do like the way that this handles. It feels good. Steering is real direct. Carves the corners up. This is a lot of fun in a four-door sedan. Manual gearbox. Now there's no driving modes for, like, say, sport or anything like that I've found. You'd figure that'd be a physical switch, and I have not found that at all. So it's all available all the time. Thanks for coming along with the ride. It's a 2023 WRX. I'm impressed at the handling, the performance, and the power. Pretty satisfying. So if you'd like to see this, or you know somebody looking for a car like this, you can visit the link in the description to find this car at my store. If you'd like to help out the channel in other ways, simply subscribe or like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and safe travels to you and your family.